Hello, it's Tuesday, March the 29th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. The dollar traded mixed versus most of the major currencies in a low volatility trading session. Positive macro data came out with personal spending 0.7% better than expected 0.5%, and pending home sales at 2.1% better than 0.3%. US markets closed negative as the Dow declined by minus 0.19% and the Nasdaq lost by minus 0.45%. Crude lost minus 1.4% and closed at $103.80 a barrel. Gold declined by minus 0.4% to close at $1,420 an ounce. Today's CB consumer confidence is expected at 65 versus 70.4 previously. The euro recovered from its previous day's losses against the dollar after the ECB president said that inflation rising above 2% would be a cause for concern, implying a possible increase in the interest rate. Sustaining the 1.4% support zone keeps the positive momentum for the pair. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 140.19 and a high of 141.15. Today, the German prelim CPI is expected at 0.4% versus 0.5% previously. The pound experienced 4 consecutive days of weakness against the dollar, coming back to test the critical support level of 159.80 on speculation that the interest rate will remain at a record low for a longer period. Breaking the critical support zones at 159.80 will push the pair lower, otherwise a rebound might be on the cards. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 159.35 and a high of 160.36. Today, final GDP is expected unchanged at minus 0.6%. The yen weakened against the dollar over concerns that radiation levels detected at the demolished nuclear plant might be fatal. Breaching resistance at 81.80 might bring the pair up to 82 levels. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 81.29 and a high of 81.83. Today, prelim industrial production is expected at 0% versus 1.3% previously. The Canadian dollar now strengthened against the US dollar after testing the strong resistance at 0.9820, only to fail once again to breach it. Holding below this level turns the momentum negative for the pair. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9740 and a high of 0.9822. No major economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.